Hi, my name is Primoz Lazar and I'm becoming very successful lifestyle entrepreneur. Beside of my few small business models, I mainly focus on growth of my premium life social community. This video's purpose is to share with you the vision of the project and what's in it for you. I believe that you have the same desires as I do to achieve personal stability and strong social relationships with those who stand beside you, support you and love you. Look, I wasn't able to be satisfied and complete on my own, and I didn't know how to collaborate with others. As the saying says, you cannot succeed single-handedly. So 2 years ago, I started designing a very precious project of mine, Premium Life Social Community. Living ideal lifestyle or premium life is shortly living a balanced life in correlation of your internal and external environments. Premium Life's main purpose is to be an accountability platform to like-minded people. I want to invite you to become a member of my or any other group of our leaders. We hold each other accountable, we collaborate and work together on our personal and professional goals. We do that through our weekly masterminding conferences where we review last week's past successes and failures and prepare ourselves for next week's achievements. The members also collaborate with each other privately. They chat to each other, they ask each other questions, they support each other on a daily basis. Any of the members can prove or show a capability to lead their own group, because they want to surround themselves with people who they really like, who they need, who do they match with. I want you to learn more about our project and see personally that you find a value in being part of something great. That was Primoz Lazar and I hope for you all the best.